Welcome to our second video of the Financial Freedom video series on Road to Make Your First Million, where we break down essential financial concepts for everyone, from beginners to those with more advanced knowledge. In the last episode, you have already met the Patel family. The link for the first episode is available in the card above, and in video description below. Patel family is exploring the world of personal finance, helping you understand how to take control of your finances and secure a bright future for yourself and your loved ones, and in the meantime inching towards the goal of accumulating $1 million in their account. Patel family is in their living room, Raj looking at a laptop with a spreadsheet on the screen. Today, they'll take their first step into financial planning by creating a personal budget. Raj is pointing at the laptop, showing the budget categories to Priya. It's important to track every dollar. Raj is showing them the basic categories for income and expenses. Family lists their expenses. Priya writes on a notepad while Raj types on the laptop while their daughter, Anya, was playing in her world of toys.
Priya, creating a budget means knowing how much money we earn and how much we spend. We will divide our spending into categories, like groceries, bills, savings, and fun.
Since you have reached this point, I am confident you like our video. I request you to please like and subscribe to our video. This will not cost you anything but will motivate us to create such content for you and the audience in future. Please share a comment what you want us to cover topics in future videos. Thanks. Now we get back to our video, Road to Make Your First Million. Priya and Raj list all their monthly expenses. They also set a goal to save for Anya's education and family vacations. In the meanwhile, Anya requested to include ice cream and movie nights in their spending category. Listening to this, everyone laughs in the room.
We will definitely include that in the fun category. Dear Anya, a little enjoyment is important, too.
Balancing fun and savings is key to sticking to a budget. Patel family learns that budgeting isn't just about cutting back. It's about making sure they spend wisely on the things that matter. Once Raj and Priya listed their expenses, Raj and Priya review their budget. They realized they can save more by cutting down on dining out.
Raj, we can save an extra $100 by cutting down on outdoor dining this month, and cooking more at home. That will help us with our savings goal.
Finally, the family decided to split their spending under different heads. 55% on needs, which includes expenses which cannot be avoided like rent, household groceries, medicines, education and monthly payment of existing loan or debt. 20% on wants, things which give us enjoyment and reason to be happy like movies, dine out, buy new phones and other desired items, vacation and fun. Additional 5% committed towards closing our debts, starting with loans at the highest interest rate like credit cards. 10% on our investments for the future like bonds, stocks, gold and mutual funds. And the remaining 10% in the savings account in the form of fixed deposit or liquid funds to build up a corpus for emergency funds. This is the plan in the beginning, and we will revise it for better as we progress towards our final goal of achieving our first million. The family smiles, feeling proud of their work. Anya jumps up and is filled with happiness. With their personal budget in place, the Patel family now feels in control of their money. They know exactly where it's going, and where they can save. Creating a budget is the first step to financial success. For the Patels, it's a small change that will lead to big results. The Patel family has started their financial planning journey, and so can you. Start with a budget and take control of your financial future, one step at a time. Your financial future has already started. Take these steps toward a better tomorrow. Stay tuned for our upcoming episodes, starting with the basics and gradually working toward more advanced financial strategies.